You have done your recording before when your condition was worse, and after a steroid you were getting shock like sensation and your problems of walking. So can you tell me about how you was walking that time?
Yeah, means every step I has to take has to get shock in my knees, and it was so painful.
Which leg more?
More it was on the right leg, and it was so painful that for a minute or two, like I used to feel the pain very much, and I had to sit in one place for at least a little while, and then move again after that. And every step, 5-6 steps I take, I was getting and again those shocks, like nearly from I think for 6, 7, 8 months I got those shocks. And then when my treatment almost came to an end of 10 months, like that time those shocks started disappearing, but even then I was frightened, like because that fright had created in my whole body, and I just couldn't concentrate on anything. I was fully concentrating on when I get up to stand, to walk, how I'm going to walk, how I'll move about.
Because starting thinking, you was walking with the walker and all.
Yeah. So then because of that fright, I was holding this thing against the wall or some chair, this and that, and I was moving in the house. And then suddenly, then after I had to use this thing walker because the pressure was coming on my back and all.
How many days you
So for 3 months I used the walker.
After 3 months you was able to walk without walker.
Then after I left her, and then it was okay, like I could manage to walk on my own. Otherwise I had to hold somebody or the other. But when I brought the walker, it was more this thing, like means I got more used to it, like, and I could move my legs easily, like after that. So that's why I kept it aside, and then I started moving on my own now just this last month. That is on my 9th month.
9th month.
Yeah.
Okay. So this actually where all problems started more means after your injection, steroid injection.
Yeah.
You were in Apollo.
Because of these injections only. And that is in February I had taken those injections. So even within 3 days I got this shocks and all in my knee, and I couldn't walk, like. So but thereafter with this acupuncture treatment, I was feeling little by little the shocks were disappearing, like as in months went by. So almost on the 9th month the shocks had completely disappeared.
Now there's no pain in the knees?
No pain, nothing, but only little, I can say almost 80% I'm feeling better, only 20% like little fright is there.
That is fright, that is all because after the injections.
Because the shocks were so much that it was creating some fright in my whole body only. I was shivering all over. So in my legs
full body was shivering and shaking.
And especially my legs, I just couldn't lift my legs only to walk, like. And so this thing, I was scared, like. So for that reason, at least for 3 months I used a walker. So I got used to it, and then now I'm thankful with this acupuncture. Almost I've completed the course, 10th month course, and I'm feeling better. I did for my knees also, and plus for my back also some treatment, and then I'm feeling much better with that, and I think I will be better with this treatment completed now.
You can just show me walking by own without support. This was not at all possible for you, no?
No, nothing. Only thing that fright only is there. And there's no pain, nothing. Only I'm scared because those shocks were so much that it created some fright in my whole body, like. But now my legs and all used to shiver. When the moment I used to stand to walk, the legs start shivering, like. But now I don't find that. Now it is okay.
Even now you're climbing steps and everything.
Yeah, steps and all I climb, and then I don't get any pain as such. But only thing, this thing walk is very slow, like. So, but I hope that with this treatment, I will feel much better.
Okay. What do you want to say?
So now this final treatment on my 10th course, I was feeling much better, and in fact I wanted to stop it, like thinking I'm much better. But then Dr. Prabhu phoned and informed me, you please come and you try to complete this last month course also, because so much this fright and all was there in my knees, everything had vanished off, and nothing was there. And I could, this thing, otherwise previously I used to hold on anything here and then move about. But now I'm in spacious place where I come to, I was very much scared, like how to walk, where to go, what to hold. And so I just couldn't move in the center, like. But then after this, on my 10th month course, then Dr. Prabhu gave me complimentary this thing, treatment, and I think I'm feeling much better with that. And I pray to Almighty that He may be blessed with abundant blessings from my side, and He may get a good this thing to cure all His patients who ever come to Him with a good cure, with a good blessing for all of them.
Okay, what do you want to say for the other patients like
Yeah,
suffering?
I would advise all other patients also, whoever are suffering from such type of sickness, that not to go in for any painkillers like tablets and steroids and all, because there's so much this thing.
You suffered a lot because of
Yeah,
steroid.
because they create a weakness in your whole body, and they are not good at all. So I would prefer this to go for this acupuncture treatment, which has no side effects, and you feel much better with it. No doubt, starting you get the pain again and again, but at the completion of the course, you feel better.
Because you have suffered a lot and you was crying
Yeah.
in the starting.
Yeah.
But from that condition, like you, if patient get cured,
Yeah.
so other patient, if they come in the starting condition,
Yeah.
surely,
If you come from the starting, then you get cured much earlier.
Yeah.
So my case was a severe one, and I'm been suffering because I did not know what type of sickness it was. But then when I came to this Dr. Prabhu, he told me that it is a very old sickness what I'm having. But then the pain I was getting only recently, like about 5-6 years back only. But then he said it is even older than that. But even then, since my case was so severe, and since I am now standing and walking freely without any support and all, so I thank God, and I also thank Almighty to bless Dr. Prabhu abundantly in all the ways.
okay, thank you very much. What do you want to say more?
Yeah, and now I'm feeling so much better that I was not moving out of the house anyway. I was in the house earlier, but now I seem to be doing some little work of sweeping around in the compound, moving about, and I get no fear at all whilst walking. And right in the center, without walker anything, I just move about. But only in the muddy surface, on that I feel little trouble to walk because of the stones and all, and some gaps and all here and there. That only creates little problem for me. But that also by holding somebody's hand, or sometimes little here and there, I just walk freely after.
That is also because of fear you get it.
That is only because of the fear. Little while I hold on to somebody, otherwise later on I just try to manage to walk.
As per the knee is concerned, you are perfectly
no, so
okay.
The knees are perfectly fine.
Yeah, only the thing that steroid injections which has made your nerves weak.
Yeah.
From back side, full body was shaking.
Yeah.
That particular weakness only has given you the tension.
Means I just couldn't stand on the floor. Like my toes were almost shivering, sort of like when I was standing and just lifting my leg to walk.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now we can see this knee patient was suffering so much. She was walking with the walker. You can see she can go down the steps. Yeah. आता फक्त तुका भिरांत दिसता म्हणून अशी चलता न्ही यो
While climbing, I don't have to hold anything. While getting down, like little bit, I have to hold.
This is also because of fear.
Yeah.
No pain.
Because of fear, and I feel that I may not be able to this thing. Little at least I have to hold.
So no pain in walking,
No
getting.
pain like that. No pain is such. I can climb, but while getting down, I have to hold on something.